I wanted to show people the work that we put into the underneath side of our restorations. And this is something that most people don't get to see, just because when they see the car, it's usually sitting in a position to where you can't get under it. But we put as much time and effort into the underneath that we do on the top surface of the cars. And this is how we typically do them. We finish it off, make it look like an OEM finish underneath here. Everything is epoxy primed, finished off with a 2K satin black, which gives it that new car look. Now I say this is the way we typically do them because we do other processes depending on customer preference. In fact, we've got one over here. Let me take you over there and show you. We just are about to complete this build, which is a 78 Trans Am. The customer wanted a rafter liner undercoating look to put on this, which is actually a very beautiful looking finish. It's just a very different look. So it's all customer preference, and we just tailor each build to exactly what the customer desires.